The visitor setup allows you to create and manage various types of visitors who may enter the school premises, such as job applicants, parents, government officials, vendors, and more. This setup streamlines the gate entry process by helping the gatekeeper or gate entry admin quickly identify and record visitor categories, ensuring organized and efficient visitor tracking. To add a new visitor type to the school's database, simply click on the Add Visitor icon. A form will appear where you'll need to enter the visitor type name, along with a remark to further clarify the category or purpose. Once the details are entered, click the Save button and confirm the action. The visitor type entry will then be securely stored in your school's database. You can continue adding as many visitor types as necessary by repeating the same process. If you need to make any changes, click the Edit icon in the Actions section, or click the Delete icon to remove the entry permanently. Using the Show Entries option, you can control the number of records displayed in the list. There are some more options from you can copy the entire entries, open them in Excel sheet, export it as a PDF, print it, or customize the column visibility as per your need. You can use the search bar to locate entries within the database instantly.